Hello and welcome. This is an introduction to SQL-Ledger, and in this introduction we are going to take a tour of the software by going to this site, and this is the site SQL-Ledger.com, and from here we can get a lot of information that concerns SQL-Ledger. We look at the definition. SQL-Ledger is a web-based ERP system that will run on any Mac or Windows platform. Counting data is stored in a SQL database server for the display. Any text or GUI browser can be used. The software is built freely with software, so you are never locked in. It's written in easy readable pair code, and you could also go ahead and click on the About page. This will give us a ton of this explanation, and this is what we can see, that we have the definition of what the software is all about. From the About page, you could read a lot of features, a lot of things that the software can do. We can browse and come down to the end, and we can go up again. Then if you want to look at the features, you can click on the features, and you will see the features. It has accounts receivable. It also has accounts payable, vouchers, general ledger, inventory control, billing, invoicing, payroll, time cards, and so on and so forth. So many features that we could take advantage of this open source software. So many that we could take advantage of. Then if we want to have questions, if we use the software and we have questions, we are free to go to the forum, and there we can type our questions, and there are professionals in this place. They will be able to give us all the help we need. The developer of that software is also on this forum, and you can see there are questions that were asked before, and they'll be answered here. Before you can post any question here, you must have registered as a member. Though as you can browse the site even if you are not registered, but to post any question, you must ensure that you register. You can go back. Go back to the site. Yes. Now we can also go ahead and see what is new. What is new? You see from here, you will see the day the version. This is the latest version of the software, and these were the changes that were made. Any new version is posted here. You could download any of them, and what has changed is given out the right hand column. You see a good number of it, how the development of the software has been so far. You could go through it and make some notes of what you are getting into. So the next item is a download page. You could download the software. It's an open source software. You could download it and use it for your business. And once you click on this link here, you download. If you want installation instructions, you click on this readme file, and you will see You will get instructions as to how to install it. There is this setup.pl directory that you could click on, and it will download, it will install the software directly for you. There's instruction for installing on Mac, installing on Windows, and so on and so forth. These are the languages into which the software has been translated. About 45 of them, of the languages that we have here. We have charts of accounts, and we have different countries that have submitted charts of accounts, and they have included here. You could also translate the software. So looking at it from here, now if the next item will be documentation. Once you click on documentation, you will see a lot of things that you're supposed to say. Money from the sale of manual and customization pays for new releases and development of new features. So since this is an open source, their only source of revenue is when you pay for customization. You could pay that you want the software to work this way or to have this feature and so on and so forth, and that will be done for you. And they also have manuals that they sell, and you could get that. There are also contributors, and there are also frequently asked questions. If you click on them, these are questions that people have come across. They ask these questions all the time to see, as they use the software. So if you go through it, you will be greatly enriched with the information that you see here. It's very, very detailed. And if you want to go back to the home page, you could just click on that, and that will be given up for you. So this is just a brief tour of how to get up and running with SQL-Ledger.